Package has arrived. Gotta check that out. I got these where I'm at. That's pretty cool. I'm in here every other day. All right, guys. So we're back with another video. As y'all can see from the thumbnail, I am replacing the ballast on the actual headlights. So y'all are gonna see me take this apart right now. What you're gonna want to do is remove all the little clips that are holding the bumper, all those little clips there, and then pop them out from there. Once you pop them out, the grill's gonna loosen up. But this is what I'm talking about, the ballast. This basically gives you power to run your bulb. I ordered these on eBay. I'll put the description down below. And I hope it turns out good. So I'm gonna take y'all step by step on how to do this. This mod, not really a mod, but this headlight swap. Fix your headlight. What's going on mine is the bulb went out. The bulb went out, so I changed out the bulbs. Still no luck. Alright guys, so after taking everything apart, I had to get that light out. Finally got it out. So this is what it looks like. And the ballast goes on the bottom. So here it is. It goes here. We're gonna remove this one and replace it with the new one. So here's the old one. As you can see, it's all rusted out. That's the reason why it wasn't working. I already removed the old wires. I'm gonna replace it with the new wires. But that should do the trick. These came with the wires. So y'all see the difference. You can just tell that's not getting no good connection there. Finally got it in. I got the ballast in on this one. As you can see, so the lights I ordered came with two plugs. One plug was originally plugged in, this plug, so I took this plug out, and as you can see in there, this plug here is actually running through there, and it runs and gives it the power. So that white plug comes with your headlight. It originally goes there, and then this wire here, that one there, that's for your actual bulb. So that one's just running through here, and this runs into your DS1 bulb. These bulbs go in like that. They got a little clamp here, very easy to do. Just pop it off. It's real tight, but it locks it in place. Other than that, I got that one back in. If y'all don't know how to remove the bumper's real easy to do. I have a bumper swap or a grill swap removal video on that. Y'all could go watch that video. But the lights actually have 1, 2, 3, and 4 bulbs. They're 8 mm, and I gotta finish running my wire for my lightning trends lights. It is a little weird setup I got going. I got Oracle for my round lights there, and then I got lightning trends for my ribbons and my fog lights. So I got two different setups, two different modules. So that's the way I operate different lights, I guess you could say. Like I could do one light purple and the other light red. Just I got a whole mixture. But yeah, got a K&N intake on this. I got that painted by my paint guy. Got that in the video as well. Other than that, there's a bumper. Y'all, if y'all haven't done so, go watch. I got a grill swap and I got a bumper swap video on how to do that. So far so good, man. I am a little lowered and I do got a little banged up bottom piece, but nothing too major. All right, as y'all can see, I got my Oracle lightning trend set up already. Pretty much done. Man, can't get this phone to damn sit up straight. So y'all check out the old ballasts. Y'all see how rusty they were? Went ahead, put new ones in, as y'all seen in the video. Let me go ahead and turn it on and see how the lights turn out. So as y'all can see, we're good. Yes sir, we got the ballast in. Finally I can see at night. Y'all make sure y'all drop a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate y'all watching. If y'all having a headlight problem, y'all ain't getting no power, this is possibly it. Ballast. So I appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned till next time. Peace.